Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to send a gallery image or a video on Snapchat as a live snap. In other words, how to send a fake live snap and video. And if this is your first time on here, please do subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. Without further ado, let's dive straight into it. To make this thing work, we need a third-party app. So let's open Google Play Store. And here, let's just search for a OVF editor. Please install this application. By this application we will be able to send fake live snaps. So once if you install this application, just open it on your phone and the interface looks just like this, and here you got an option to send either photo or a video. So let's just select a photo in this. There's another pop-up and let's just select a photo. Now here it opens our gallery images, whichever is stored on your gallery. So here I'm going to choose this image to send as a live snap. Just click on this image and here it loads, and in this you can edit, add, filter or any other changes that you would like to make in this app. There's already a bunch of filters available on here. Once if you're satisfied, just click on the right button on the top. Once if you're done, just click the right button on the top and it just gives an option to share it to Snapchat. Just click on the share button on here, which will open the Snapchat application. Here you can see the image from your gallery, and here you can edit, add filters, whatever you do in the natural live snap whichever you take on the Snapchat. Here you can see the different filters which you can apply here. Once if you are happy with the filter, just click on the send button down below and you'll be able to send this snap to your friends or send as a story. Just add a friend and just click to send. Now it's sent to as a friend. Now here you can see the snap has been sent as a live snap. It doesn't say that it's a fake snap or any filter has been added to it. Now let's just see how to send a video. Same procedure, just click on the video, and once you click on the video, your gallery will open. Here you can choose the video from your gallery. Here I'm gonna choose this video, and for video you won't get any option to edit, you'll directly get an option to share. Plus there is also a lot of ads in this app, so I have disabled this app. If you would like to know how I disable this app using a lucky patcher, I can make a video for that. Do let me know in the comments down below. And once if you click the share button, here the video opens on the Snapchat application. Again you can edit or add whatever you do as a live video. Once if you are happy with it, just click on the send button and here you can choose your friends or you can choose as a story and add to your story. Here I have sent the video and here you can see the sent has been a live video. Now let's see how does it looks on the receiver's phone. So let's open the Snapchat on the receiver's phone, and here we have the snaps which is received here. Here you can see there is no way that we can see that whether it's a fake snap or a live, or like gallery image. It looks like just like a live snap. And also this is a video. Here you can see the video which we have just sent. And whenever you send an image, just make sure that the image is full screen, not cropped out, because when the image is cropped out, the other person may come to know that it's a fake snap. And also it doesn't show as any filter or anything, just shows a camera icon right next to it, right next to the sender's image. So this is one easy way to send a fake live snap. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up on this video. I'll see you all in the next video and do subscribe.